G'day, I'm Steve and this is Nathan. This is our garage. Oi, Nathan, what are you doing? Alright. Let's just clear some workspace here. Alright, where's your chainsaw? Give her a couple of... Okay, give us a demo on what's going on with it. Do you need to go outside with it or what?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, right.
Seems to work fine.
Yeah, well, start up, and then once you get it started up, you won't be able to rev it until you pull the clutch
Yeah,
back.
that's what I was
All
saying.
right, go. Did you have the choke on or off when you first started it?
Off.
Sort of wants to fire. Here you go. Okay. Just gonna have to start pulling apart. I'm going to make some pancakes.
This is how I'm going to try to fix the problem. First, you're going to start by taking a Torx bit. The right one, obviously. A T25. And then take it off. We're going to start by checking the spark plug. You can tell if it's a fuel problem by looking at the spark plug. See how it's glossy? That means it's getting too much fuel and flooding. There's a number of things that can cause that. But I think my problem is the low side on the carburetor. So what you can do is you can let it rest, make the fuel evaporate so it's not flooded, and then you can try adjusting the low side on the carburetor, which is located right here on the right hand side, that one. Now, once you let it sit, you can blow on the spark plug or get an air compressor bit and blow all the fuel out. Till the spark plug isn't so glossy. Then you can put it back in, tighten it up, and try again. But what we're going to do now, we're going to turn the high side of the carburetor adjustment right down to a quarter turn from 0. That's just to ensure that we're not having any problems with too much fuel when I rev it up, because as you did see, it was idling just fine until I revved it up and it stopped. So we're just going to put this back on and I'll meet you out there. Now it should be good to start. I think the idle's a bit low.
Yeah.
Because it cut out.
You probably should let it warm up a bit before you...
Well, I had... In this case, the idle's a bit low, isn't it?
Yep, that's correct.
Bit better. Maybe some more.
Yeah.
With a bit of adjustment, you can get it just right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.